I am happy that ASG and especially Dr. John De Silva and his team ताणी दोळ्यांचेर कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केला. सगळ्यात एक महत्वाचो ऑर्गन जो आमी मानतात हो दोळो. दोळो बरो आसपाक जाय जाल्यार तुका पळोवपाक मेळटा, तुका विजन मेळटा, तुका पळोवपाक मेळटा, तुका एप्रिशिएट करपाक मेळटा.
When we started ASG Eye Hospital in Goa way back on the 7th of September 2021, it was with a lot of apprehension on how things would move forward. Honored by the responsibility given to me by Dr. Arun Singhvi, founder director of ASG Eye Hospitals Pan India, with a global presence across India of more than 180 branches. I think Goa was a venture which was very close to my heart. And today is indeed another proud moment for me and for my team as we expand our presence and make our presence felt in South Goa. At ASG Margao, we promise to deliver the same excellence in eye care. Cataract surgery being the most common surgery performed today, we also look at providing specialized care where earlier a lot of Goans had to travel outside Goa. We have with us an excellent vitreoretinal surgeon, Dr. Pavan Garde with me. He is also trained from Arvind Eye Hospital in Pondicherry and I'm really proud to have him. Dr. Marushka Agyar, who is a trained pediatric surgeon and she's done her training at Arvind Eye Hospital in Madurai, was working in Bombay, and I was very happy when she gave me a call and she said, sir, I'm moving back to Goa. So it's indeed a proud moment for me also to have most of my colleagues who are Goans who have come back to the state of Goa. I thank each one of you and my entire team at ASG, Panjim and Margao for where we are today, and I acknowledge your contribution. Thank you very much.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.